Hello, KWEadvantage, KWEnergy, and KWExperience. We would love any of you, your clients, your friends, family, and even your kids to come and join us for the Operation Christmas Child Shoebox Packing Initiative. Bring your donations and come ready to pack. We're so excited to be able to impact so many kids around the world this year for Christmas. Bella and I would love for you to watch this short video of how packing a shoebox can truly impact a life, and I hope that I get to see you out. All you need to do is sign up on our RSVP and come to one of our locations, either Monday the 14th in Barrie at KWExperience, Tuesday the 15th at KWEadvantage in Leslieville Beaches area in Toronto, or Wednesday the 16th at KWEnergy in Oshawa. Please sign up, and we hope you can make it to make a difference in a kid's life this Christmas.
When I was a little girl, I received a shoebox, and that changed my world. I was born in Lupeni in Romania. I remember being a sad atmosphere because Romania was under a communist regime at that time. We didn't have many toys. Some children only received an orange for Christmas, and that was about it. We went to church, and there was a big celebration there. A lot of happy people just came with a lot of shoe boxes, handing them out to the children. All my friends were there, and we were waiting in line, and I received a golden box, and I was so excited because I was thinking someone was so wonderful to just send me a gift. Just like that, I received a gift. Little did I know that that shoebox was going to literally change my life and my outlook and my perspective on life. So I found a quiet spot, and I went and I opened my shoebox. And as I opened the lid, I was so excited, and I just did this and then I quickly put the lid back, and then I opened the lid and I close it and open it and close it. I just didn't want that feeling to be lost. My parents remember I walked everywhere with the box. If I went to the kitchen, I carried it with me. If I went outside, the box had to stay with me. It was that precious. I didn't take out the contents from the box for a few days. I just left it like that, untouched. It was too beautiful to be disturbed. Until one day, I came home from school and I took the box, I opened the lid, and I did the gasp again. and I took everything out. I looked at the porcelain doll, and she was beautiful. She had ponytails just like me. And then I found a picture of the family that sent me the box, and I was just like, oh, so these are the people that care so much and arranged the soap and the doll and the notebook. What makes someone give? And I was wondering, what makes someone's heart be so good that they give? And that is something I want to teach my children, that it is not how much you have, it's how much you give. Now I'm married in Canada, and we have 3 children, and we are just trying to teach our children the importance of giving. So if you've never packed a shoebox, I would encourage you to do so. It is such a small gift and is so insignificant for us. And when I think of the millions of children that are still in poverty and in need, that just breaks my heart. And we can do something. How can we demonstrate God's love more than when we give? Love is doing. Love gives.